I'll see you tomorrow.
Broadcast. Bang! Double bang. Sorry, I couldn't help myself. Oh, baby. S&P's coming in like a rock. Actually, they popped them in the beginning. I want to welcome everyone to Global Markets Radio Daily Recap. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. Monday, June the 25th, 2012, 4 p.m. Eastern. What a day. What a day. What an easy day. You just got to love it. I wish all days were like this. Not everything worked, but certainly the yen, in my opinion, the story of the day. The S&P's falling, finally, dollar yen giving in to the pressure as bond yields in the U.S. continue to sell off. Even with the new home sales, that data out of the U.S. still didn't work. And we saw the stock market pretty much closing, in my opinion, damn close to those lows. Perfect. Selling off into the EU summit as predicted. Oh, baby. Freebies, isn't it time? Now, listen. This is just the beginning. If I'm right, and we are going into a phase, and I got to tell you, I don't know what, if anyone is in the New York, New Jersey area, and you had a loop this morning on CNBC, that was freaking crazy. Kramer basically saying, this is a big week, this is a big week. I mean, it was surreal. It was almost like, and I was, by the way, multiple people, I'm not the only one. What kind of message is that? Very bearish is what it was. What a huge week this week is coming up, and it is. We got lots of data coming out. We got the EU summit, which is going to get nothing done, in my opinion. Germany still wants budget restraints, fiscal discipline, and that's not going to solve the problem. A fiscal union will, and they don't want to. And I don't blame them, which is why I am calling for Germany to leave the euro and let the rest of the pigs stay. And the Deutschmark comes back. Problem solved. But that would kill the German export market because the Deutschmark would explode. We'd be at over double par, well over 2. Euro would be down at 80. Dogs and cats living together, but you know what? Maybe that's better than Greece leaving. So when you look at this S&P chart, I must tell you, given all the economic uncertainty, and again, if you haven't listened to last night's week ahead, please. I thought it was pretty damn good. And again, look at the cliff we could fall off of. I got a line here, right here. And that's an uptrend channel line over the last 3 years. We're going to nail it. It could be in August. It could be in July. It could be right tomorrow. But it's coming, people. We are going to nail this line. Listen, it could grind up. We could be 1150 in about 3 weeks. Obviously, the longer it takes to get to this line. Remember, there's a daily. So it'd probably be more like a month. But we're going to get it. And I think the first step is clearing this 1305. If the S&P clear 1305, it's over and close below it. Say goodnight. And I just think when you look, healthcare's on Thursday, the EU summit's on Thursday, the Turkish-Syrian situation is getting worse, more defections from colonels and generals on the Syrian side. Not good. Iran, new ties with Egypt. Not good. About to blow up any day. Oh, yeah. So I just think, yeah, could we rally? Could we touch this level and then bounce off it? Sure. But the news we got coming out in the next 24 hours, really, in my opinion, not going to save the market. It's really going to be Wednesday, Thursday. Thursday being the big day. We got London inflation report hearings, public sector net borrowing. USK shill, that's going to suck. Consumer confidence, that's fallen off a cliff. Richmond Fed out of the U.S., all the U.S. Manufacturing in the U.S. falling off a cliff. So, what does that imply for the dollar? Well, the dollar should continue to rally. And we have a nice little pole, maybe flag building here. Again, we broke this whole downtrend channel on the Dixie. And we held this nice, strong move. Pole, flag. You can make a case for a flag. Easy. We're not busted. Did not take out any Fibonacci. Got your flag here. Right? It's a flag. We take this out to the moon, Alice. Again, we're talking long-term channel line. 86, 87. And that's with an S&P at that channel line we had before. Gold, a mild bounce, in my opinion, in prediction of more printing of money. But again, I think it's short-lived. I think when they sell everything, they sell Apple, they sell gold. They don't care. They're raising cash. I am surprised oil was not higher today. One would have thought crude would have been a little bit higher given all the tensions and things going on. Not good. In my opinion, crude's going to explode. From what levels, we don't know. But again, you're going to walk in one day, crude's going to be up $40. Straits of Hormuz closed. Oh, baby. But did hold up fairly well. But given that move in gold, you would have thought oil would have been higher. But again, I think the China demand scenario, the storehouses of coal that are rumored to be sitting in warehouses where China industry, much lower output than expected, means they need less oil and gold and coal. So, one second here. How about now? So when we look at this euro dollar chart. Oh, that's annoying. Wait, hang on. I got to change that. Oh, yeah. When we take a look at this euro dollar chart, certainly it's busted. The whole uptrend's busted. But again, we could be a situation where the S&Ps go to that 1305 level. We break down to this 124.50 level. Maybe we hold. So I could see some sort of a turnaround Tuesday. Markets don't go down a straight line. We got the EU summit. We'll have more comments coming out ahead of it. Remember, this summit, they promised us something. This was why the Greece situation never collapsed the market, because this was when the EU was going to get something done. Well, we need to hear something. And in my opinion, this euro, obviously euro yen, tremendous trade. Thank you, sir. I have another. Oh, yeah, and there's more. It's going to 99 for sure. But I think you do your Fibonacci. I mean, these things really broke. Hopefully. A little surprised none of you gave more comments on Facebook. I mean, what a freaking call. We're going lower, baby. 99, 98-ish in that zone. Dollar yen looks disgusting now. Outside candle. I'll tell you, it was breaking through. It wasn't look very good last night in Asia, was it? Man, it's been a long time since this baby really came through for me. How much more downside? Well, I could certainly see 79 channel line, even the Fibonacci. Right around that 79. And then we'll see. Listen, we could easily have a nice turnaround. Tuesday, Texas 3-step. Look at the sterling yen. I see another nice night ahead. Absolutely. Can we reverse after hitting this channel line here? Sure. That's another 170 pips, people. Bang. Some more ringing the register to do. Looks very ugly. But certainly that channel line looks easy. Easy. Aussie yen. Nice big break. We should get nice follow through again. I am not looking for the meltdown unless we get some really bad news. So unless we get really, where SPOOs are down 20 handles, something's gone on. I think if we're down on no news, I'll be looking definitely for a reversal. I think the sell-off, a little bit quick. We do supposedly have the market thinking there's going to be good news coming out. We have mostly U.S. data coming out. German GFK, consumer climate, big deal. I still love this dollar Canada. Took out previous day high. Back and fill a little bit, but still looks gorgeous. Again, broke the whole downtrend channel line here. Love it. To the moon. Dollar Swiss, rolling over. I think this dollar Swiss, Euro Swiss, to me, it's getting ready. I know I sound like the boy who cried wolf, but I'm telling you, if this situation really gets bad, they're not going to be able to defend this thing. And you're going to get a situation where Euro Swiss collapses, dollar Swiss comes in, and Euro dollar sells off. It's been a while. But I am thinking that. And again, it's a good hedge being short dollar Swiss for the what if. But obviously you want to have all the other ones to make up for any losses. Cable, a little bit of a comeback again. Would like to have seen my sterling yen. Sterling, pound Aussie, pound Kiwi perform a little better. But they're hanging tough. I am telling you, this baby looks gorgeous. If the S&Ps are weak tonight, we are going to have the mother of bounces. And if commodities can come in, which I think is a good shot, we're going to get commodity currencies to get whacked. And that's pound Aussie, pound Kiwi, and long yen. Oh, baby. And listen, these things were actually up, so depends where you bought them, obviously. But if it wasn't for these, wow. But the yen's tremendous. I think Luna yen, we get more follow-through. Nice big break. Break it down to break it out again. Should we take out these channel lines, look for a lot more downside. But again, ahead of this EU summit, I am a little nervous about getting so overly bearish. I don't know. Pound Swiss, I'm not sure. I've not been trading pound Swiss very well lately. Absolutely not. Aussie, while it did make a little bit of a comeback, looks like it's going much lower. Looks just like the S&Ps, doesn't it? Almost hit that channel line, baby. Certainly 99.10. And that would mean S&P probably around 1305. Should we break there? Obviously 98.95, easy. 98.50, Easy. Kiwi put up a nice fight once again. This GDP report really keeping this Kiwi strong. I still like it short. I think you sell on strength. I don't think we're going to take out 79, 79.20. I think we certainly should head back down to 77.50. Easy. 78. And again, that pound Kiwi trade, love it. New Zealand yen. Risk off, baby. This looks terrible. Shooting star, bearish engulfing. It don't get no better than that. Say hello to 62 at least. All right, people. Follow me. Facebook. Voice of Forex. Follow me on Twitter. Voice of Forex. If you watch my videos and you didn't make money today, I guess you're crying. Oh. You suck. What do you listen to me for? Oh, baby. Andrew Spanton. Email me, info@globalfxllc.com. Try my product. 1 week, free trial. What are you waiting for? The only voice you'll ever need, who once in a while really hits it over the mark, baby. The only one you'll ever need, Julie loves, to make you money. I'm going to do it again tonight. Oh, baby.